Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to week 5, the final week of Puchy's Memy Mondays YouTube Hop. It's being hosted by Puchy Tats here on YouTube, and I do have all of the information in the description box below, along with the links to the other channels that are participating. So I hope you have enjoyed the hop so far, and that you will go ahead and check out some of the other channels. It's been a lot of fun, so much inspiration in this hop. And I do want to apologize, guys. My video is really late this time around. I did finish my Memorydex card late last night, and I was just so tired. I didn't have it in me to do the video last night. It was really late. So I'm uploading it this morning, and I hope it was worth the wait and that it's not too much trouble. I know some people maybe have to come back to my channel to check if my video's up, and there's giveaways where you have to leave comments and things like that. So this is the Memorydex card that I created for week 5, and I think it turned out cute. I've been wanting to use this ice cream shaker die for a while. It's been in my stash, and this is the first time I've used it. And I love the size on this. It did make the Memorydex card quite a bit taller, but I still love the way it turned out. So cute. And then I just used a regular Memorydex card base for the bottom here. Added some red stitching, which I've been loving. The pink and red contrast on this with the strawberry milkshake. I'm loving the red thread. And then I added some cheesecloth underneath the ice cream cone and did a little bit of layering of the ephemera. Stitched this piece right here. And the Enjoy is from a new die set that I received from Scrap Diva Designs from Erica's shop, and as part of the design team. So I'll share that die too. Really cute die set. And then I just added a couple little pearls here and there. And this beautiful Flair button was sent recently to me by Bona. She is Live Love Scrap, and she does do custom orders for the Flair buttons, and I did request some matching the strawberry milkshake collection. So thank you so much, Bona. I love it. Love the Flair button as the little cherry on top of this ice cream cone. So there's my card for week 5, and I did make 2 cards, so that took me a little longer too last night, but one I'm going to be keeping, and then one I'm going to be putting in the giveaway that I'm doing. So I'll share a little bit more about that in a minute. And then I did want to share this is the ice cream die that I used, and I'll try to go back and have all of the information, or a link if possible, for this die in the description box below in case you like it and you want to check it out. Really cute. I was really happy to finally use that. And this is the cute new set from Scrap Diva Designs that I used the Enjoy word here. And I actually did make a quick little project with this. I couldn't wait to try it out. I love it's basically a policy envelope, but I love how there's a twist to the little top here. She added a tear strip as part of the closure, so I think that's so cute. And this it's the perfect size for gift cards, and I could just see lots of projects for Christmas, gift cards and things like that, using this die set. And it does come with like a little doily here and another piece that says Enjoy. That could be done in a shaker. So it's a cute set. So I will share a little bit more on that. So those were the dies. And then of course I used the strawberry milkshake paper collection from Prima, designed by Garcia. And let me see. So here's the little policy envelope that I decorated. I'll be sending this along with the goodies for the giveaway to a winner that I'll be choosing next week. And there's information in the description box below. You just need to basically leave a comment in each of my videos, and then I'll enter you for the giveaway. So this is it. I did use the doily that comes with the set, and then just used some ephemera, little pearls, and kept going with the little cheesecloth texture there. And then here's the top, the little flap. So how cute is that? I love it. Love the tear strip. So once I put the goodies in, I'll adhere this bottom part here. And then all they have to do is, you know, tear this little strip to open it up. So I think that's cute. A little bit different than the regular policy envelopes. And then, like I said, the buttons that I used for the little cherry on top came from a set that I received recently from Bona. So here it is, so cute in case you missed that video. So I love that. And along with, for the giveaway, I have an extra die set here for the strawberry that I have used on one of the other Memorydex cards I created, and this is from In Love Art Shop, so I'm going to include this strawberry die set, and that one I used on this one, so you can see it in action. So it creates this little strawberry here, and these little leaves too. So it's a really cute set. I think that it's one of my favorites for the strawberries, so I'll be including that. And let me go ahead and share also the Memorydex card that I've created. They're not really in order, but I did create this one. And I created this one was week 1, which is Party Hat Shaker. So there's that one. Hopefully you can see a little peek of all of them. And then this one here is one of my favorites, the Milkshake Memorydex card. And then this one, super cute and fun with some little charms here that I created using another Scrap Diva Designs die for the Memorydex card base. So there's that one. And then I'm putting this one in with the set. This one I did not show as part of the hop, but I had created it like the week before the hop started, and it just matches. So I'm keeping them all kind of together in a little set, and they're in a little crate. So how cute. So I had so much fun with this hop, and I always just love, you know, having all the little creations at the end of the hop, which I might not have had, you know, taken the time. So it's just been a lot of fun. How cute is that? And then this one is going to go in the back just because it is the tallest one. So there's my little Memorydex card crate that I have left after doing this fun hop. And then this is just a few little things. I am going to be throwing in some more goodies in the giveaway package. So I will announce that next week on Monday, hopefully. And if you would like to be entered in the comments, when you leave your comment, just let me know that you want to be entered into the giveaway, like enter me or something. That way I'm not entering people that do not want to, you know, receive the giveaway package. So there's that. And then I will be checking the previous videos to make sure, you know, you left comments on those and watch them. And that's it for my giveaway. And like I said, all of the links will be in the description box below for the other channels. Hopefully you'll check them out. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today. And sorry about the late video. I truly am. I hope it's not too much trouble. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye now.